Hi, in this video we are going to unbox and review Dell XPS 15. This laptop has 15.6-inch display and the 12th generation of Intel Core i7 processor with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SD storage. It's made in China and it came with a regular box for shipping. Inside the regular box, we have a premium another box with recyclable materials, which provides a good experience of unboxing. We can see XPS logo here, and now let's take out the laptop from the box. After taking out the laptop, we can see the charger and user manual inside the box. This device seems to be a USB 2 and HDMI extension. Here we can see a picture of wall with her baby and the text for recyclable materials that box made with it. This is the laptop that covered with a plastic cover and it's pretty thin. And this is the charger with USB 3 port that can charge the laptop from both left and right sides. The charger is 130 watts. And here is the connector for USB 2 and HDMI cable. Regulatory information sheet, warranty, safety and regulatory information. This sheet is like a small manual. You can see the speaker location and the USB 3 ports location. The turn on and off button is at top right. And here is how to connect the charger to the laptop. We can see the speakers on both sides of the laptop, left and right. We have two mics and a camera on top of the screen. Here is the back of laptop. Let's take laptop out of the plastic cover. Both sides of laptop looks steady and well. In this location we can see the cooling system of the laptop. And here we can see the power and battery information for this laptop. It's pretty thin and there is no USB 2 or HDMI port on this laptop. Let's see if I can open the laptop with one finger. No, it's not possible. Even there is no space in the middle of the laptop to put finger inside it. We have Intel Core i7 processor and a very small webcam on top of the screen. I have tested the video webcam camera for video quality and it was not good at all, and it was not even a full HD video camera. The quality is good and it has a big touchpad, but the depth of keyboard keys are low. Now I want to close the laptop and try to open it again with one finger to see if it's possible. Now you need to open it from edge, which is not good for the monitor. It's a nice laptop and the quality of the speakers are very good. The webcam microphones are located on top of the screen and there are two microphones on this laptop. The laptop is pretty heavy and is much heavier than my 14-inch laptop. Now I want to turn on the laptop for the first time, but the power button doesn't work, so I need to connect the power to the laptop to be able to turn on the laptop for the first time and doing the setup process. I like to remove these plastics from my adapter to avoid overheating when the laptop is charging with this charger. The charging cable is long, which I like it. Also, you can see a light here that shows your laptop is connected to the power. Now I'm able to turn on the laptop. In this stage, you need to determine your country. Then you need to determine your keyboard language. Then you can select a second keyboard language for your laptop. Then you should connect to a Wi-Fi to complete your setup. I had an error when I was trying to finish this kind of setups, and when I changed my name on laptop, the error fixed. After fixing the error, I was able to see the Windows screen for the first time on this laptop. Here are the programs inside the Start menu that pre-installed on this laptop. I have another 14-inch Dell laptop that I'm gonna compare it with my new laptop. This laptop screen is 14-inch and the new laptop screen is over 15-inch. But the 14-inch laptop is much lighter than my new 15-inch laptop. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you and helps you to make a better decision on buying your next laptop. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it already.